Hi guys, welcome back to Baking with Sue. Before we start, make sure that you subscribe, like and share, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that it will notify you whenever we make a new video. Yeah, the next coming video we are doing face revealing, then you really see who really I am. So yeah, I'm excited. So as this is the festive season, I've decided to share with you how to make a traditional Christmas cake. It's a fruit cake, of course, and I'm going to use the boiling method. This is an amazing way to make a fruit cake, and once you taste it, I'm telling you, it's a wow. You won't even not want to miss it. So here with me, I've got 500 grams of butter and 100 to make 600. So you need 600 grams of butter. So I put it on the side, and then you need 6 cups of old brown sugar or traditional brown sugar. You can see it's different from, yeah, it looks like it's wet, but that's how it looks. So you need 6 cups of these. It's not too sweet, you will see. Right, then you need your fruits. So today I'm going to have a mixture of this, so to make my cake a wow. This is 1.5 cups of mixed raisins, and I'm gonna add dried apricots, which a cup of this, and I'm going to add a cup of this glazed cherries and some candied peel. And also I have mincemeat, which is minced fruits, raisins that are soaked in rum and brandy. And then I've got, so all the fruits I will need 1 kg. I will have to make a kg from all this, from this one, which is 600. Right, you need more. You can put as much as you want. So this is 250 plus the half, that's 350. Then you need a cup of that and a cup of that, as much as you like. Depends how rich you want. I need also a 1/4 cup of molasses, or you can use trickle syrup, or you can use a traditional golden syrup. You also need mixed spice. So with me, I made my own with 4 spoons of cinnamon, 4 spoons of ginger, 4 teaspoons of nutmeg, and yeah, if you can buy mixed spice, that's good for you. You will need 10 eggs, which are at room temperature, 10. And then we'll need 2 cups of brandy. Right, to this time I got an orange flavored brandy, which will enhance the flavor of my cake as well. And then I will need a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then 8 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. So yeah, that's it for my ingredients today. So now I put my butter on the stove. I have to start boiling. Right, there you go. Then once it starts boiling, I will start to add other ingredients, but for now I'm going to put away my flour, my eggs, and soda. We don't need them when we are doing the boiling. Right, we don't need them. Please don't add, otherwise you're going to cook it. That's not what we need, so I put it aside. So now our butter is melted, so you can see. Then now we need to start adding our fruits. So I add my fruits there. Right, I didn't soak these fruits overnight like I usually do, because boiling method, there is no need. It's going to soak anyway as it boils. So I add my apricots, these mixed cherries. Just like that. Right now I need to take the minced one. I like this one because it's already soaked and it makes my life easy. I just like the richness of the mixture because of the fruits. It's going to be very rich. Right, I go ahead and I add my half cup of molasses. Again, I need a spatula to take it all out. Right, then I'm going to add my spice. You can see the color is coming out. Say wow, that's the rich color that I like. Right, then I go on to add, I hope my pot is big enough. I add 2 cups of brandy. Like I said, it's all about flavor, so everything I'm using enhances the flavor of my cake. So I'm going to change this pot because it's a bit small. Now we let it boil for 5 minutes and then we will add the sugar. So I've just changed the pot to make a bigger pot. I think it's wise to just start with a bigger pot so that you know that everything will fit. So yeah. So now you can see it is boiled and it has given me the color that I want. You know, the nice dark brown color. And lastly, I'm going to add the sugar, but I've switched off my stove because I don't want the sugar to burn. Otherwise, it will crystallize and give you caramel. I don't need caramel. Right. So I just need to stay in the sugar. And then I'll make sure that I preheat my oven at 180. Now I've got a nice mixture. The sugar is dissolved nicely because the mixture was already boiling. It was hot enough to dissolve all the sugar. So just now we put it aside and let it cool, maybe for 45 to an hour. You just have to taste it because you can't put eggs in a boiling mixture, so we need it to cool down. I'm going to put it on the side. So now I prepare my eggs. I said I need 10 eggs and I need the baking soda. Don't worry about the container. I've changed the box, taken it from the box and put it in this container, and my flour. So these are the ingredients that are left to be mixed. And also prepare my baking tins. I need to grease them and make sure that they are ready. Right. So we are back. The mixture is now cooled down. We now add our 10 eggs. You can mix them, you can beat them before, but I just will mix it in there. Right. This is a mega mixture, like I said. You can make as many cakes if you use the measurements that I've given you, that you see or check in the description below, and then you can then fill in as many baking tins as you wish to make. Right, so it will be fully mixed when I start adding my flour. So I now need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. There you go, like that. Right, now I start adding my flour. I need 8 cups for this mega mixture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I give it a stir. And then I'm going to add another 4 cups. Right, now you can see I have a nice mixture, and it's all in bulk. So I'm first using this 10-inch tin. Right, like that. I hope I'm not going to miss. Yeah, and I can add a little bit. Just need to go above, a little above half. Right, yeah, I'm just going to make small ones using these aluminum tins, just for my neighbors and friends. Right, so now there we are. We're going to put them in the oven, preheated oven at 180 for about an hour, and then we'll reduce the oven to 140 for about 2 hours. But it depends on your oven. You keep checking after the first hour of 140 degrees Celsius. So there we go. Let's place them in the. So yeah, here our cakes, they're out of the oven now. You can see it's all a wow. Look at that. If I press like that, you can see how soft and fluffy, and I tell you, the taste is something else. So make sure that you make a date when we do the icing in the next video. Make sure you click the notification button after subscribing, so that you see how to ice our Christmas cake. But for today, yeah, we are done. And don't forget to subscribe, please. Please subscribe, please. And make sure you like and share, and also leave your comments below. I'll be happy to reply to your comments. And yeah, see you in the next video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.